I'm going to print the lyrics and the backing vocals here, and we need some help singing along because we don't know the notes.
If everybody had an ocean across the USA, then everybody be surfing like California. You see them wearing their baggies, Warachi sandals too, a bushy blonde hairdo, surfing USA. You catch them surfing at Del Mar, Ventura County line, Santa Cruz and Tres, Australia, Nairobi, all over Manhattan, and down the Weedy Way. Everybody's gone surfing USA. We'll all be planning that a route we're gonna take real soon. We're waxing down our surfboard, we can't wait for June. We'll all be gone for the summer, we're on safari to stay. Tell the teacher we're surfing USA. Haggerty's and Swans, Pacific Palisades, San Onofre and Sons, Redondo Beach, LA, all over La Habana, and Waimea Bay. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Woo! Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA. Everybody's gone surfing USA.
That was light, pumping surf rock. Now comes hardcore surf rock.